is from Alden on whether that's going to be a good move or are they going to be right in the middle of the rain and possible. You think we'll have any thunder and lightning?
The thunder and lightning is going to be the biggest concern, so that's what they're looking at, and that's why they pushed it back. But around 8 to 8:30 is when we could see that rain pushing through. So I can see the disappointment.
You've got poncho.
Hey, the poncho is packed. I am good with some rain. I'm just hoping that lightning holds off because I know that's really what's going to impact the show tonight.
Yep, and that line is still developing up to our north right now. It's 86 degrees currently. We have mostly cloudy skies and it feels like it's 90. Winds are a little bit gusty too, up to around 22 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorm watch just to our north for Lawrence, Jackson and Jennings County until midnight. It'll be canceled well before then, as we expect that line to be pushing through here within about the next 5 or so hours. Here's a closer look on Max HD radar. There are a few warnings up there just to the north of Indianapolis. We see that this line has been filling in a bit. There's some more activity near Terre Haute that's just continuing to develop. None of that is severe, but you can kind of get an idea of the track it's going to be taking, and you can kind of see that with the shape of those warning polygons there. So if we see anything else continue to develop along Terre Haute and I-70, that's most likely to impact us here over the next several hours. So models have struggled a little bit with this, admittedly. Notice by 8 p.m. it tries to bring a larger area of rain and place it right on our doorstep at 8 o'clock when they want that concert to get underway. So that's why we're going to be keeping a very close eye on how those thunderstorms develop over the next several hours. But it's a somewhat quick moving line. By 9 p.m. already starting to see the backside of that push through the region, and then we'll be left dry for most of the rest of the night. Maybe some lingering showers off to our west near the Owensboro and Evansville region, but most of our Tuesday actually looking pretty quiet for us. We'll start off tomorrow morning near 70 degrees, bit of a mild and muggy start. Temperatures tomorrow will be in the middle 80s. Again, mostly dry, maybe a couple of isolated showers, but confidence on that is fairly low. Confidence is higher, however, in a larger area and a second round of heavy rain and thunderstorms moving in late Tuesday night through the first half of Wednesday. We'll have to watch this region of rain pretty closely, as notice how it just keeps training over one particular area from Jasper through Tell City down toward Munfordville and near the Bowling Green region. So we could see some areas of flash flooding in this region as well. So that's going to be our big concern heading into the midweek. But Wednesday afternoon and into the evening hours looking drier for us before we see another possible wave of thunderstorms pushing in. So rainfall over the next 48 hours, about an inch, rather half an inch up to an inch for most of us. Higher amounts are going to be staying well to our south, along and south of the Western Kentucky Parkway. Hometown forecast, mostly sunny, partly sunny tomorrow, Not quite as hazy either. We'll still have some wildfire smoke around, but it shouldn't be quite as dense. And the extended forecast, middle 80s here for the next couple of days, getting back close to 90 degrees on Thursday, when we should again see some showers and thunderstorms rolling through. By Friday, though, our weather pattern is going to try to turn a little bit drier. Mostly sunny through our weekend, which is going to be a nice treat for us after the rain over the last few weekends. Middle 80s, still fairly humid, but thankfully we are still avoiding a lot of that excessive heat.